Welcome to Degenerate EDC. EDC done so degenerate. I got a new flashlight that I've had for about a week now. I wanted to test it out first before I gave an honest, genuine, degenerate review. And let's get right to it. This is the WUBEN PL01 or PL01, whichever one you choose. ECL, Easy Carry Light. And I must say, super impressed. I can barely feel it. They consider this featherweight, and not only featherweight, but drop proof. Still works. Now, let me just get started with the functionality of this light. Let me get back on the chair so I can explain this better. I love the tail switch on it. There's no other, way to turn it on. Just a simple tail switch action, and boom, it turns on. It turns off. So the light does come with 4 different settings. The very first setting is the moon setting. It seems like flashlights love calling their lowest and weakest light the moon setting. So what I love about this flashlight is you tap the tail switch lightly to change the light mode, and it goes from now moon to low. This is the low setting. Not a bad brightness, and it's actually pretty bright for being low. Tap it one more time slightly towards the tail switch, and now I'm at the medium setting. Medium setting isn't too bad. And then tap it one more time, and now this is the bright high setting, which is pretty freaking bright. The max lumens on this thing, and some refer to it as the turbo setting. Tap it one more time, and we're back to the moon setting, which is ideal for what's going on in here right now, as you can see. So here we have moon setting. This is the low setting, medium setting, and finally high setting. And back to moon setting. And there you have it. So that little function, you got to get used to the slight touch of, that tail switch. But once you get used to it, you can tap through it easily. And there you go. 650 lumens is actually pretty damn bright and makes this extra degenerate. What I like about this pen light is dual direction clip that it comes with, where you can basically mount it, on a hat. It's very mountable. That's what you want with a flashlight, is versatility. Now, one of the cool features about this light is the battery. It comes with a rechargeable battery that you connect directly here. It does come with a Type-C charger, and this is the equivalent of 2 AAA batteries. So if you don't want to use this funky, cool-looking rechargeable battery, you can get your own AAAs and put them right in, and it'll work just fine. And a light touch of the light changes the settings. This is an ECL. I was how many days old when I even learned what ECL is, but finding out that there is this acronym for these types of lights, Easy Carry Light. I've been living under a rock, but I have woken up and I see the light. I'm gonna leave a link in the description. That way you can get your hands on the same exact WUBEN PL01 Easy Carry Light. So there you go. Thanks for tuning in to this degeneracy.